Hey everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making chocolate mousse, so let's get started. Ingredients that you need: sugar half cup, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, corn flour 2.5 tablespoons, coffee 1 teaspoon, cream half cup, pinch of salt, milk 500 ml. So the process is: in a bowl add all the dry ingredients and mix it well. Pour milk. Whisk it. Now add cream. Whisk it again. Transfer in a cooking pan. Cook on low to medium flame. Keep stirring. Mixture has started to thicken. You can see the consistency. Make sure to cook on low flame till mixture starts bubbling. After a while, mixture starts to bubble and you can see the shine. You can see the texture, it is thickening. When it comes to desired consistency, turn off the flame, give it a rest for 2 to 3 minutes, then transfer in a bowl. When it's cooled down, just some cocoa powder for garnishing. It is optional. Chill it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours before serving. And it's ready to serve. See the texture, it's so mouth melting, looks so rich and creamy. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.